We have seen the Gujarat plain. Now we are going to see Kutch. Understood? And in this Kutch region, if I am talking about, it was earlier like this. It was not like this. It was not like this. So थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे land टूटा फूटा था. This was under the sea. And here it means there is a what? Sea water. What is there? What is there? What is there? Sea water. Saline. And इसका मतलब it is a continental shelf. And you know that earlier Indus River was coming over there. Now Indus has shifted here. And the several rivers are coming and depositing the sediments. Yes. Yes, sir. And it becomes the reserve of also petroleum. नीचे में क्या मिलेगा? And ऊपर कैसा बन गया? Saline and marshy area. Stick rivers are coming and then finishing in this river. And this marshy, what it becomes? ये कैसा दिख रहा है? कच्छ रीजन कैसा दिख रहा है? Emergent coast or submergent coast? Coming up, it is known as what? Kutch coast is which kind of coast? Emergent type of coast. And this saline and marshy, saline and marshy. यहाँ पे आप जाओगे दूर तक पानी वगैरह दिखेगा. Lots of water you will see. And this water means saline water, not completely saline. 5 gram, 10 grams, जिसको आप पी नहीं सकते हैं. And then marshy like, जहाँ पे that all the BSF and they are what is in a completely booted and all. They otherwise their body will get what is in a different kind of problem. So this is what saline and marshy. This is known as a Ran. This is known as. This region is in a Kutch. The land part is Kutch. Land part is. But where there is a saline and marshy, you can be able to see some region is I said that what? This black dotted region. It is the Ran of Kutch. But this region is what I said that? Kutch. Land portion is what? Kutch. And then Ran means saline and marshy. Ran of Kutch. Ran of. समझ में आ गया? What is the difference between Kutch and Ran of Kutch? Kutch is in a land part. And the Ran of Kutch is what? Marshy and saline region. Understood? So Kutch region is which kind of coast? Tell me first. Which type of coast? And this region is what? Submergent type of coast. Understood it? Next point. And now ये ऐसे बन गया आज के डेट में. This is और इसके बीच में some land is there. And it will look like island. Within the marshy land, some land part is there and it is known as what? Island. So this is Pancham Island, this is Bela Island. So which are the island we have seen? And then second I said that? Bela. Pancham Island and Bela Island. Completely okay? Yes? Kutch. And all the rivers क्यों यहाँ पे finish हो रहा है समझ में आ रहा है? Because it is not able to go further because itself it is able to absorb. Understood? Kutch. Kutch. If I say that this region is a land part, तो यहाँ पे 3 faults are there. There is a fault, but there is a series of hills. छोटा सा hills है. And this is known as the Kutch. Yes. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? छोटे हिल हैं. 300, 400, not higher, very small. Understood? Kutch hills. Which hills? Kutch hills. And in between, what is there? Fault. This is what? Fault. Understood? समुद्र में से कोई चीज ऊपर आए ऐसे, तो इसको क्या बोला जाएगा? इमर्जेंट. और समुद्र में इन द सी समथिंग इज गोइंग डाउन, इट इज नोन एज. इसीलिए दिखाया था वो नीचे गया था पार्ट ड्यू टू नॉर्मल फॉल्ट. इट इज कच्छ हिल्स. एंड दिस फॉल्ट, सपोज करो, सपोज बिटवीन द फिंगर्स क्या है? क्रैक. एंड देयर इज अ फॉल्ट. व्हेन इट इज कमिंग एंड व्हेन इट इज कोलाइडिंग विद समवन, तो ये इसको अलग फोर्स मिलेगा. एंड ऑल आर, तो आपस में क्या दिखाएगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. दे विल शो डिस्प्लेसमेंट विद ईच अदर एंड इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू हाई अर्थक्वेक जोन. हाई एंड इट बिकम जोन 5. कितने फॉल्ट्स हैं? Between the three series, the 2 faults. Yes or not? Making it to be what? Zone 5. So Kutch region is facing, I said that zone 5. What is the reason for it is becoming zone 5? Kutch hills. और कैसा दिख रहा है? And parallel there is an, I said that, faults. 3 series of ridge. इसको hills नहीं बोला जाए तो छोटा है, तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Ridge. And in between there is an, I said that, fault. And it is making it to be what I said that zone. So the nearby region को भी तो earthquake मिलेगा. This is what? Zone 4 and then 3. Understood? So Kutch, Gujarat region has been converted into which are the seismic zone? Whole Kutch is zone 5. Nearby region is 4. Another 4 nearby region is 3. Understood it? Zone 4, zone 5, zone 3. Understood? और ये क्या है? Gulf of Kutch. Understood? So I am going to give some idea about. ये just